birds die, if they die, I'll write a poem. I'll call it Death of the Birds and Death of the Bad Poet. Or maybe just Dead Birds, Dead Broad. Yeah. And when I print it out, I'll glue glitter along the edges and draw stars on all the white spaces to make it look extra special. And then I'll hang it on my wall. Even a great, fabulous poet like me would still like those hot Cheetos. I mean, damn, thank you, God, for giving that idea to someone. Hot Cheetos. They make my bad tooth hurt and I have to take a leave every time I eat them. But life is pain, and in the end it's all worth it, right? Is that the lesson I take away from today? I honestly want to know. What lesson haven't I learned that I have to keep failing over and over? What lesson is that? I'm just lost. I'm lost here, God. I couldn't let those stupid, ugly, needy, ugly babies die. Not like that, kicking and peeping on the barn floor, abandoned, growing cold and starving, like they didn't matter. They mattered to their mother. They surely matter to you. I think even Satan likes the birds. I mean, they do poop all over everything and piss people off. That must be pleasing to you, Satan. The ability of birds to piss off lazy, clean people. But I'm just trying to be funny. To make light of looking down the barrel of a bottle of pills. Of facing the fact that I will never be anything terrific. And that people are making fun of me and my dreams. And that just yesterday, there are words that clang about in your heart, like your father calling you a waste of skin. And he said it under his breath, so I almost didn't hear it. But like he wanted me to hear it. Waste of skin, waste of time, waste. He sees me in the same light as an unwanted, useless rabbit. Except he can't sick the dogs on me. And I try to fight that, because it's in me, it's in my very bones, that I should have just been ordinary. I should have never tried to write or draw or reach. I should have just been sensible and dull. And maybe I shouldn't care so much when baby birds get knocked out of their nests.